IJ Software.
Hello everyone, so welcome to IJ Software. I hope you're doing great and safe. Today we will teach you on how to create an installer for Windows 10 using Rufus. So in order for you to be updated with my video tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So let's get started. Alright, so in order for us to proceed to the installation or to create the installer for Windows 10, make sure we already downloaded the software. So where we can download the software, so you can use this website in order for you to download the Rufus software. So this is the latest version of Rufus 3.10, and after you download the file, you're gonna use this file in order for you to run the software. Next is what we need in order for us to create a Windows 10 bootable device or installer. So the first is USB flash drive. So make sure that you have a allocated size of at least 8 GB. So we recommend you to use at least 8 GB for you to create a installer or bootable device for your Windows 10. And the next one is the ISO file for Windows 10. Alright, so now let's start on how to create your installer for Windows 10. So make sure that you have already your flash drive inserted in your computer or laptop, and as well as the software that you have that you downloaded from the website, and as well as the ISO file for Windows 10. So the first step that we need to do is to click this file that we downloaded from the website, and you can run it as admin, or you can run it, or you can open the file by double clicking. Just click yes if you see that dialog box. In my case, I have 2 flash drives inserted in my computer or laptop. So now I'm gonna use 8 gig flash drive for me to install the Windows 10 installer. Next is option is this ISO image. So we need to locate the file or the ISO file for Windows 10. So I have here the Windows file for my Windows 10, and then you can open it. Right, next for image option, so you can just leave this as standard Windows installation. Alright, so we have here the 2 options for partition scheme. So we have GPT and MBR. So this is it refers to the BIOS, if what is the setup of your BIOS for your hard disk. So it's going to be GPT is for UEFI and MBR is for the legacy BIOS. So you can check your BIOS if what is the setup, so for you to select what type of partition scheme you're going to use for you to install the Windows 10. So now since I'm using UEFI mode, so I'm gonna use GPT. So you can start after you select the partition scheme, so you can change the volume format. This is refer to the name of your volume drive, and you can leave this as default, and you may start creating your Windows operating system installer. So if you see this dialog box, so if you still have files in your flash drive, make sure to back up your data, because after you click OK, it will automatically format your drive and replace for the files for your Windows 10 installer. So you can click OK and wait until it finishes.